Oh, now it starts recording. Oh, this thing's goofy. Either that or I did something wrong last time. I'll walk back in here and do this again. We passed 100 subscribers today. That's really good in my book. I appreciate everybody. Make sure to share the videos. I turned the audio down on that. Make sure to share them and pass them on to your friends. If you know anybody out there that's doing off-grid, they might appreciate some of this. There's a million different off-grid videos out there, and I've watched quite a few of them. Subscribed to a few of their channels too. But I'm going to go to town. I need 10 more boards for up there. I have 4, but 10 should complete everything there, and I'll have a couple left over for this side. I need to, after we get the door in, a friend of mine's coming over here that lives out here. He's a carpenter. He knows how to do this stuff. He's going to help me put the door in, and that's really great. I like that. So we're going to get that done. The kitchen's a mess, but I've been moving stuff around. The kids have been a nuisance all day, just laying right in my way. I'm going to redo the light that's right here outside and put it on the load also. That way we'll have a light on out front when I come home and it's dark. And that way it's not on all the time, not using all kinds of current. So I'm going to get busy with that, and then I'm going to town. I'll be back. Okay, it's 8:37 and 31 degrees outside. I am going to get started on finishing this wall. Getting those outlets down there finished up. I need to get this done today. I'm going to have to take all that stuff up there down and then remount it. But I want to get all of that completely finished if possible. So the dogs are busy eating their morning slop or whatever it is, lamb and rice. Sheldon's a pig. Baby's a bigger pig. He'll not finish his and run in and try and steal Sheldon's. What a dog. But I'll be setting all that stuff on the cot. Those cots are super comfortable. I might get one of those for my house in Rawlins. I like it. Anyhow, getting busy. Gonna have to take that top board down and shorten it. Probably both of those boards. Maybe shorten it just a little because the two that are going to go across there have to fit behind them. So it's time to get busy. Okay, I've got all of the AC in the house that I can think of unplugged, with the exception of the water heater, which is turned off. It still draws power even when it's turned off. Oh, well, I guess the modem is still on. I can unplug that too. Okay, that's unplugged. With everything unplugged, we're still drawing a little over a half an amp, 0.71 amps, almost 3/4 of an amp. On DC, we're using 1.13 amps, and I imagine that's probably just all the little plug-ins for the cameras and such. But everything is off, so we're still drawing just a little bit. That's coming through the inverter. If I disconnect the inverter, drops down to 0. Probably have to turn it back on if I can find the button. Button, where are you? I know there's a button. There, it's on. Starts up at 6 amps and drops down to 3/4. Okay, I just want to play with that a little bit. My load light for the front is working just fine that I put in yesterday. When I came back from town, the light was on. When I got up this morning, the light was off. So, everything's cool. Back to work. Okay, that wall's done. All of that's done. All of that's done. Have the window seal or the window frame to do. That should be easy. Just need the right size wood. I want to put, let's find it here. This size around the door frame all the way around and going this way. So it'll have to come out a little bit like that. And then the same thing here. Put that in and then put this over this. I was thinking about replacing all these with something a little bit larger, but this would be a lot cheaper to just go this way. Probably use oh, the dust in here is awful. I need to open some windows. I don't even know what the temperature is. Probably 90 degrees outside. 57. Close. So, that's the plan. Back to work. Got to put the TV back up. Okay. I got that down there finished. All hooked up. And it works, kinda. Nothing's fried. Got that wall all done. Sue found these little dragonfly things at Lowe's. Got those up there to hang stuff on. Have some more of them too. I put the refrigerator controller right there. Got that all blocked in. It's all blocked in back up in there. Got a couple books there that were in the way. So that half of the house is pretty much done. Or half, that 1/10 of the house is pretty much done. So we're doing all right. Took the dogs for a walk and found a shitload more meteors. What we think are meteors. This is from 2 days of walking. I'm going to take them when we can find out where to do it for sure. I'm going to take them in and have them analyzed. Make sure they're meteors. And what else did we do here? Something I need to do is mark all the fuses. I haven't done that. And I needed to find the fuse for that one down there. Couldn't figure out which one it was. But I eventually did figure it out. It was in an unexpected spot. So what else did I do? The dogs are all tired. We found 3 or 4 badger holes. And I think I know what that strange poop is we've been finding. I think it's badger poop. Because there are some up on one of the mounds. Quite a bit of it up on one of the mounds. What else? Got batteries charging for tomorrow. Get that door up. It'd be so nice to get that box out of the way. And then after that's done, I might put that ceiling fan up. We will see. But this has been a productive day. It's been a good day. We have the website. I think it's nmdreams.com. There's a lot of our stuff on there, some pictures and stuff. But we're doing all right. I'm pleased. I hope these videos can help somebody else that's doing the same thing. And I appreciate I've signed up for a couple. What do you call it? Joined them. Join their links. I forget what it's called. But anyhow, I think that's it. I'll probably go ahead and publish this video. Somebody didn't eat their pretzel. Baby is out there eating cow poop. He eats anything that's on the ground. But I'm going to get this in here published. Y'all have fun now.